Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply top up your Ethereum on Trust Wallet. It's quite easy. Make sure you have the Ethereum enabled and the Ethereum present on your Trust Wallet. And in order to check this, click on the toggle at the top right corner of the screen and simply search for ETH. Once you've searched for Ethereum, select Ethereum here. And once the Ethereum has loaded in, click on the buy option, which is just there. Once you've done that, simply enter the amount you wish to buy by checking its minimum, which is $1. We could get $10 or $20. And the best provider is Ramp. If you were to go for 200, there are other options like MoonPay, Ramp, Mercurial, and Transact. So for $20, we're working solely with Ramp. Click on Next, and then you'd be taken to the app.ramp.network. And once it's opened up, simply set your region by simply clicking on You Pay, where it says You Pay and the currency that follows it behind, which is this. And you could search for the US, that's USD, or the United States. Here we go. Click on the United States, enter an amount you wish to pay, which is $20. Click on Pay $20, select this, enter an email address. So I'm going to be entering an email address now. Now proceed to enter the code, which is this. Your code would vary depending on the Gmail you're using or the email you're using. So once it's opened up, you're going to be asked what type is your wallet. You could simply select self-hosted since we're working with Trust Wallet. Do not select the Binance or Coinbase. It's not needed for now. We're working with Trust Wallet. Click on continue and click that I have confirmed I have ownership of Trust Wallet. Click on continue again. And now you're going to be taken to another screen where you're met with the payment methods you can use. Your payment method could either be the card, a bank transfer, or an instant bank transfer. So simply select the card payment. Other payment options would be shown depending on your region. Click on continue. And now you're going to simply enter a billing address. And once you've put in the name of your city, okay, I guess that's not going to work. But then you just simply save the billing address. And then you'd be met with the part where you add your card, which is basically your MasterCard or your debit card or your credit card. And once you've done that, the money would then be taken from your account and Ethereum would available on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can top up our Ethereum on Trust Wallet, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.